Hello, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. It was a survival weekend as the world celebrated reggae icon Bob Marley's birthday. Celebration started off with the release of the highly acclaimed Songs of Freedom, The Island's Years, an extraordinary 6 LP set as well as a 3 CD set. Also released was a limited edition color 6 LP featuring 2 red, 2 green, and 2 gold vinyl LPs. Songs of Freedom, The Island's Years streamlines to the period of Bob Marley's emergence and stardom with rare tracks on vinyl for the first time outside of Jamaica. The music set the tone for the weekend as the Marley Group held a series of virtual events over 12 hours on Saturday under the theme Survival 76. The events included messages from the family, a Miami performance mashup featuring the Marley Brothers, and reggae jam sessions. Now, one of the main highlights was the Survival 76 cypher featuring the Young Lions, Skip Marley and Joe Mercer Marley, with some of the island's best lyricists, Agent Saskel, Tanya Stevens, Kabaka Pyramid, and TIFA.
How can you be sitting there telling me that you care, that you care?
That's right to the Bible, and tell me where you hear the lights to send love to our rivals. Cause them know what is survival, them still our idol, but like we true with music idol.
Dan MacGyver, we survive them tiger. Hey, watch our style, yeah. Enough of them juvenile, yeah. Them out, them kinda young and restless, running breathless like a quarter mile.
We outsmart and outrun them. We survive 50 alive, but we try to make it bun them. We see them and now we try, so we get out from among them. Cause the year with them a breed can't touch it, now we own them.
In the beginning there was a pyramid, still in it. Black survivor, black MacGyver, blacker than Mac a diamond, black for Ivor. In the black style line and the black provider, full black with my diamond stocks like Ivor. Hibernate, I know the race I wake up.
Band survivor from in my mother belly. Broke barriers, revolutionary. Yeah, that's my mentality. Can't women on slavery. Like the great Bob Marley, me emancipated, not incarcerated. Can I make the residual part for the exonerated, but me elevated.
Survival 76 track, produced by DJ Sparks and Loud City, is the brainchild of CEO Cedella Marley, who in a release said she wanted to send a strong musical message that speaks to the times. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.